cutting-edge tablet brings the future of 3D technology right to your fingertips, without the need for any special eyewear. I'm excited to take you through its features, specifications, and the mind-bending 3D experience it offers. But first things first, let's talk about the price. The Nubia Pad 3D is available for $1,200. Now, let's delve into the specifications that make the Nubia Pad 3D truly remarkable. Equipped with a Snapdragon 888 processor, 8GB of RAM, and 128GB of storage, this tablet is built to handle your multitasking needs seamlessly. Its 9070 mAh battery supports 33W fast charging, ensuring you'll be back to enjoying your content in no time. The standout feature of the Nubia Pad 3D is undoubtedly its eyewear-free 3D display. With a sizable 12.4-inch screen, this tablet transports you into a world of immersive 3D content. Say goodbye to those cumbersome 3D glasses. You'll be experiencing lifelike depth and dimensionality without any additional accessories. One of the most intriguing aspects of this tablet is its real-time 2D to 3D content conversion. Imagine being able to transform your everyday videos and photos into captivating 3D experiences with just a touch. This technology is a game-changer, offering a new way to interact with your favorite content. The Nubia Pad 3D comes with built-in stereoscopic 3D cameras, allowing you to create your own stunning 3D content. Capture moments in a whole new dimension and relive them as if you were there again. It's a creative tool that adds an entirely new layer of depth to your photography. And for the audiophiles out there, the tablet boasts quad stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, providing an audio experience like no other. Its massive 9070 mAh battery, with 33W fast charging, ensures you spend less time charging and more time enjoying your content. Now, let's talk about the innovative 3D light field technology. This unique feature enables you to experience 3D vision from virtually any angle, offering 8 distinct views for a more immersive experience than ever before. With a large 12.4-inch 2.5K display, the Nubia Pad 3D offers flagship-level specs that deliver stunning visuals and crisp clarity. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web. I know what you're thinking. Does the Nubia Pad 3D live up to the hype? Well, I assure you, this is not a sponsored video. I'll be giving you my honest opinion and sharing my personal experience with this tablet. Its unique blend of features and capabilities has truly impressed me. In conclusion, the Nubia Pad 3D is a tablet that pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of 3D technology. While the $1,200 price tag might seem steep, its revolutionary features, including the eyewear-free 3D display, real-time content conversion, and built-in stereoscopic cameras, make it a compelling option for tech enthusiasts and content creators alike. Keep in mind that prices may change over time, and if you're interested, waiting for potential discounts might be a wise decision. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the fascinating world of the Nubia Pad 3D. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tech insights. And remember, the future of 3D is here, and it's in the palm of your hand.